In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix limit exceeded in Telegram. This can happen when you send too many messages, make too many requests, join too many groups or channels too quickly, or repeatedly try the same action in a short amount of time. The first thing to do is simply stop repeating the action that triggered the limit. If you keep trying again and again, the restriction may last longer. If the problem happened while sending messages, wait before sending more messages to people you don't regularly communicate with. Avoid sending the same message to multiple users at once, especially if those users are not in your contacts. If the limit appeared while joining groups or channels, stop trying to join more for the moment. Wait and then try again later. You should also avoid rapidly leaving and joining multiple groups. If you're seeing the limit when using Telegram on a desktop or another device, make sure the issue isn't caused by repeatedly switching between devices or sessions. Give the account some time and then try the same action again. If you didn't do anything wrong and you're still locked out, open up your Telegram search bar and type in @spambot with the official verified checkmark. Start a chat with this official Telegram bot and hit start. It will run a quick check on your account status. If your account has been accidentally restricted by mistake, SpamBot will give you an option to submit an appeal to Telegram's human moderation team. Follow the prompts, explain what happened politely, and they usually clear it up within a day or two. If this video helped you get your account back on track, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.